So this is my Bambu Labs P2S, and I've come across this error, Nozzle Cleaning Failed. This is a brand new unit that we've had for less than a week and only done about 3 prints through it, but I've had this error before. Quickest way that I found to clean this one is actually just to close it. And then we're going to move the extruder up ahead so then we can actually remove the cover. So the head just comes off, being magnetic. From here we have the little sock, which is probably a little warm. Yep, still hot. So now we're back to it and we can see that it's down to about 27 degrees Celsius, which is nice and cool. So now if we can see this properly, we're going to open up the clip, and we've also already clamped off the actual filament. So now we can pull the hot end out and we'll see the cold filament stuck in there, which is fine. We'll remove that in a second, just with some pliers. Just like that, and it comes out. And what I noticed from last time there was that on the back side of the hot end there is a white residue, which I believe may have been just some white grease. But you'll notice here on, I believe this is called the eddy sensor, is some more white residue. And so now that we've got some isopropyl 99%, I'm going to take a Q-tip and just clean the back side of this off. Dry it a little bit here. It should evaporate anyhow. Then we'll do the same thing to the little sensor here. Then we'll wipe it off. We'll make sure not to have any of these little fuzzies, but it should dry up anyhow. And then we'll reinstall the hot end. So we'll push it back in, put the retaining clip over top, and clip it back in place. We'll make sure to put the silicone sock over top. Make sure that that's nice and secure. Then we'll take the magnetic cover and clip it back on. And there you have it. We're back in business. So I hope this helps out other people, as I did submit a support ticket, as this was a brand new printer to me. I do have some experience with another Prusa that we have over there, an MK3S Plus. So this was a little shocking to see for something straight out of the box after firmware update, filament rolls that were already pre-dried, and having issues right away without completing much. So hopefully it helps somebody and clean off that grease, and see if that hopefully helps you out. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Thanks.